International recording artist Nicki Minaj has welcomed her first baby into the world. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll have the details of this plus more to come on the program. We'll be right back after this short break. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. This is where you get the best in local and international news on celebrities. Congratulations are in high order for rap sensation and R&B singer Nicki Minaj after she gave birth to her first baby with her 42-year-old husband Kenneth. The singer gave birth on Wednesday in Los Angeles, according to a media report. It had been long rumored that the rap sensation, the 37-year-old performer, was in fact pregnant, but back in July she confirmed this on her Instagram page to her millions of followers by posting pictures of her baby bump in order to just share that moment with her fans and also her friends. So congratulations are in high order for the rap sensation, even though she have not shared any photos of the actual baby as yet, and not even the name of the baby has not yet been ascertained. But I can tell you that once more information becomes available to us, we'll be sure to update you, the public. So we here at Links 007 TV as well just want to take this opportunity just to congratulate Nicki Minaj on the birth of her first baby with her husband Kenneth. And as you know, there have been many controversies surrounding the two being together, as he was an ex-convict, and many were just speculating that this relationship would not work. But so far the two are going steadily, and we just want to wish them all the best in their relationship as they try to thus progress over time and thus try their very best to maintain that composure and that stability in their relationship. I know a number of people have took to social media just in order to congratulate the two on the birth of this baby, and many individuals right now right across the world are just waiting for those pictures to surface online. As I said, once we get them, we'll be sure to share them with you. But we just want to wish them the best, and we hope that they do go through their relationship, and we hope that they do remain together, and that this relationship will just last for a lifetime. So we're gonna leave this one here for now. This has been Links 007 TV's Celebrity Scoop. Quick update on Nicki Minaj giving birth to her first baby. Thanks for watching. We're out for now. Links TV. Have a blessed and productive day.